how to fix Instagram follow back problem error. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the Instagram follow back problem. So when your follow button is not working again and again, if you are not able to follow the person or someone, so what you have to do is, what is the reason behind it is that, number one is, you can't follow more than 7,500 people on Instagram. It is their criteria, so you can't follow more than 7,500 people on Instagram. And the second thing is, don't follow 20 to 30 people at once on Instagram, because Instagram thinks that you are doing and spamming. And the third thing is, due to your internet connection problem, or might be for your application problem. So guys, I will show you the method, what you have to do for this problem. To solve your problem, what you have to do is, first of all, go to your Google Play Store. First you have to go to your Google Play Store and search for Instagram. Search for Instagram, and then see here they are asking for an update. So they are asking for an update, so you have to update it. If they are asking on your phone, if they are asking for an update, so you have to update the Instagram, and then you can check your problem will be solved or not. If the problem didn't solve, then what you have to do is, you have to go to your settings, phone settings. You have to go to your phone settings, and then scroll down, go to app management, or install app, or app manager, or anything what you have in your phone. So I have app management. I will go to app management and let me search for Instagram. So here is Instagram. So I will go to Instagram, and what you have to do is, just see here, just click to force stop, and you have to stop the force here, and then click to storage uses, and you have to clear all the data here, and also the cache. Now what you have to do is, you can see a permission button. Click on permission, and you have to allow all the permission here. You have to allow all the permission here. As I have already allowed it a permission, I'm just showing you to fix the problem for you. And then you can check your follow button is working or not. So if the problem is not working, then make sure that your internet connection is on. You have to check your data problem. If the network is in a good condition, in a good KB or not, you have to check that, and then you have to fix the problem through this also. And then guys, if the problem doesn't work, if you, after doing this settings, if the problem doesn't work, then what you have to do is, go to your phone browser, and then search for www.instagram.com. and then what you have to do is, I will show you, just wait for a second. You have to log in your Instagram from here. So guys, I have logged in the Instagram, and let's check whether I can follow or not. I'm sure and 100% sure that you will be able to follow through this website, through the browser. If you are logged in with browser, you can follow the person. I will just type Salman. Okay, being Salman Khan. Okay, let us check. I clicked, yeah, it is follow. So guys, this is how you can fix your Instagram follow back problem error. Thanks for watching.